Today's phrasal verb is knock about. It has 3 common meanings. Let's look at some examples. Repeat each one out loud twice. The first meaning is to move around or spend time without a particular purpose.
He spent the weekend knocking about the countryside. He spent the weekend knocking about the countryside. We spent the afternoon knocking about the town. We spent the afternoon knocking about the town. He knocked about all over Africa. He knocked about all over Africa.
Synonyms: wander around, roam, hang around. The second meaning is to treat something roughly, damage it by rough handling.
The furniture was knocked about while we were moving house. The furniture was knocked about while we were moving house.
My suitcase got knocked about during the trip. My suitcase got knocked about during the trip. Don't knock the box about, there's something fragile inside. Don't knock the box about, there's something fragile inside.
Synonyms: handle roughly, damage, mistreat. The third meaning is to discuss or consider something.
Let's knock the idea about and see what we come up with. Let's knock the idea about and see what we come up with.
We knocked a few ideas about before choosing one. We knocked a few ideas about before choosing one.
They've been knocking the idea about for weeks. They've been knocking the idea about for weeks.
Synonyms: discuss, consider, toss around. The most common expressions: knock about a bit, knock about the world, have an idea knocking about, knock an idea about. Remember, knock about, British English. Knock around, common alternative. Keep learning English.